All right, in section 11.1, we're going to start out learning about vectors here in example 1, how to name a vector and stuff like that. Okay, so some of the concepts I'm going to point out as we go over this are listed up on top here. Concepts about vectors, we need to know the initial point. Let me make that a little smaller. In addition to the initial point, I need to know the terminal point, horizontal component, the vertical component, and what component form looks like. Okay, so here we go. In the diagram, name the vector and write it in component form. So let me just slide my ugly mug over here a little bit. So here we go. So now, in order to name a vector and write it in component form, okay, I need to know where the initial point is. Now, initial point means starting point. Where does it start? So this one, the initial point is J, where the endpoint of the ray is. And then where the arrowhead is, that is called the terminal point. Okay, so we've got our initial point and we have our terminal point. So if I ask you to name the initial point and terminal point, you should say initial point J, terminal point is K. Now, horizontal component is how far do you have to travel horizontally to get from the initial point to the terminal point. So this right here is the horizontal component. And then of course the vertical component would be the distance that you have to travel vertically to get from the initial point to the terminal point. So that would be our vertical component. So now how do I write a vector, in its component form? Well, this horizontal component would be 3 units long. 1, 2, 3 units to get from here to here. The vertical component would be up 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, up 4 squares. So that's my vertical component. So to write a vector in component form, we use these little symbols, kind of like looks like a less than sign almost. We'll put the horizontal component first and then the vertical component. Okay, and there it is. That is how you would write a vector in component form. So good luck with that.